Hi, this is Greg here with another Whiteboard Friday helpful tip from Traxta. I enter the tech line and I get a lot of the same questions, so I thought I'd shoot this short video to help people out. One of the questions we get a lot, especially on trucks with two-wheel drive coil spring spacers like the Dodge 1500 or the old Chevy 1500, it takes a lot of force to get the spacer and control arm and everything back together. And what happens to people is, as they're prying the front control arm back together so they can get the ball joints reattached, it seems like they can never quite get there. And so the old installer's trick is to put a jack stand under the back bumper. So we've got our simulated truck here, and what we end up doing is if you support the rear of the truck with your jack stand, any forces you put into the front, they get used in the front. Without the jack stand, the rear suspension just settles and it absorbs all the effort you're putting in. The difference is quite substantial. So if you're having trouble getting the front end back together, support the rear of the truck so it can't move. Support it on the frame, of course, not the axle. That's your helpful tip. If you have any other questions, send me an email, greg@traxta.com, or call the tech line at 888-660-5892. I'm on extension 8. Thank you.